The way you make me feel, really trying to make you on.
Hi guys, it's me! So today we're gonna go to church. Hindi ako naka-attend the first service guys. Don't blame me, I'm sorry. Time check, it's currently 10:30. Gagaya ako guys. Sige naman ako makakita. I'll be attending with my friend and this is my... Ano ba yung intro ni... Basta yung vlogger. I'll take a shower muna guys and I'll show you my outfit later. Mamaya ko na lang pala sa inyo kasi show you the outfit of the day. Hi guys, I finally done with my